This is a quick tutorial on how to use Common Lit. To make sure that you're logged into the Clever website, you're going to go down to the Common Lit icon. You will be directed to your assignments page. Your teacher will give you the assignment to complete in this section. Below are assignments that have not been graded by your teacher. Last are assignments that have been completed and that you can view. When you click View Score, you will get your score on questions that you got wrong, questions that you got correct, and you will also get any teacher feedback from your written assignment. You can go back to your assignment page, click on your assignment that you need to complete for the day. This is a short description of what the text is about. To the right of the screen, there are 3 tabs that you can use. The first tab is a Read Aloud tab. You can start from the title and have the entire text read to you, or you can start from a paragraph that you're having difficulty with. When you're using the reading icon, it will continue to read the paragraph for you.
Cologne, when they said no to British.
Hit the pause button at the top right corner to stop if you need to take a note. And you can either highlight it or take a note. Then you can hit the play button to finish the paragraph. Another tab is the Annotate tab. When you click on this tab, highlight the information. You can choose the color text that you want highlighted. You can also click on this, highlight it, and write a quick note. Your note will remain there for the remainder of the reading. When you are done reading, you will notice that most of this is blurred out. That's because you have to answer the question before going. So you're going to click on the question, answer it. If you get it incorrect, you will have more options and more chances to get it correct. Once you get the answer correct, then you can continue reading. You'll continue doing these questions throughout your reading. You'll answer your last read aloud question, then you will click the continue button, and you will now begin your assessment. While you're doing your assessment, you can go back and reread your notes and reread parts of the text that help with the answer. So hit begin assessment. You can also click on the read aloud button to have the question read to you. You will answer questions in this assessment, but will not be told if the answer is correct or not until your teacher grades it. You'll hit save and next as you finish each question. Then you will come to an assessment question that requires you to type a response. This response is a short answer response that does not need to be long. You want to make sure that you're going back into the text to find evidence. You can scroll down and reread parts of the text to help you answer. You can also continue to use your annotation key to highlight important things that can help you while you're rereading to answer your question. When you are done, you hit save and next and you will submit your assignment. You can click on a question to go back to it and then continue to hit save and next to review all of your questions and answer choices. When you hit submit your assignment, you will be again asked if you need to go back and revise any of your answers. Then you can hit submit your assignment, and your assignment will be recorded on the bottom that your teacher is going to grade. You can then X out of the Common Lit tab